How to remove old SIM from GCash. No KYC needed. To remove an old SIM from your GCash account, you must unregister the device from the GCash app. So if you still have access to your old phone, open up GCash on your old phone and log in. Go to Profile and then go to Settings, then tap on Account Secure, then select the option Unregister Phone. Review the details and confirm by typing Yes, and you can complete the process by taking a selfie scan or entering the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. If you lost access to the old phone or the SIM card, then you have to contact the GCash support. To do so, just open your browser and just type in GCash support over here. So let me just go ahead and then search that in real quick. So when I do that, you'll find various links over there. Tap on GCash, call our hotline, and you'll find their phone number. Just contact them and they will help you address further details on how you can solve this issue. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.